This is the world's smallest Peachy Baby slime.
And this is the world's largest Peachy Baby slime. Or maybe not yet, because today we're making the largest Peachy Baby slime.
We have done some pretty insane things at Peachy Baby's warehouse, like filling an entire pool with slime or making the world's largest slime pizza. We even built a house out of slime. But this has to be one of the craziest yet. Okay, so here is the plan. We decided to go with Honey Cube Squish, which is one of Peachy Baby's most popular slimes.
And in order to make this the world's largest slime, we're gonna need a giant container.
1 giant Peachy Babies label.
And 100 gallons of slime.
And don't forget the giant jelly cubes. To get things started, I am challenging the 3 of you to see who can find the biggest slime container. First one to find it gets $100. 3, 2, 1, go!
Goodbye.
Let's go find something.
See you later. This is the size of like a regular container. We need something like 50 times this big. And I'm thinking like a box, a big box. Like this is close. We need something like that. Boxes.
I swear the slime chefs have to have something big. Let's check upstairs in the break room. Look at that sucker.
Andrea and Kristie are about to be so jealous over how big my container is. We're gonna go over to Hyro, our clay maker station, because I feel like he has a bucket somewhere. Look how talented he is. He's the one who makes our clays for all the videos. I'm obsessed. Look at this container. Sure, it's a trash can, but I think it'll do. There's a little bit of trash. Can't be too hard to clean it out.
I don't think they're gonna beat me. You can literally fit my entire body in the box. I'm taking my box. Kristie, how's it going up there?
I am definitely gonna beat you.
I don't know about that. I got a big box here.
You know, I don't even know if Andrew's box is gonna count anyways, because how are you gonna make slime in a cardboard box? Isn't it just gonna fall apart? Let's go with one of those yellow bins. This is probably the cleanest one. What's up, loser?
What's up? It looks like a pretty small box. I think I might have beat you here.
Okay, but your cardboard box is gonna fall apart, so mine can technically hold more slime.
But mine's bigger.
You've got a hole at the bottom.
It doesn't matter about the hole in the bottom.
How much slime can it hold if you lift this up? That's got a hole in the bottom. I think I'm a winner.
Look at my container.
It's time to see the containers that they brought me from the warehouse. First up is Andrew. He brought me a giant box.
It's a box.
It's got a hole at the bottom.
So first of all, it has a hole in the bottom. Second of all, it's cardboard. It's gonna dissolve.
But the challenge was biggest box. So I brought you biggest box.
But for slime.
I don't know how I feel about that one. Kristie brought me this thing. We use them for trash cans, but I don't think that's what they're supposed to be. So this one's okay, but I just feel like we have bigger here.
Yeah. I don't know. I didn't see anything bigger.
It's just tiny.
And then Hanna brought me a dirty used trash can. You guys, none of these containers are big enough. I don't know what we're supposed to do here.
Wait, I have an idea. A dunk tank. Dan did a great job finding a dunk tank for us to hold our giant slime in. This container is huge and it'll be able to hold over 500 gallons of slime. There's no way this won't be the biggest slime in the world.
I think this is a perfect jar, but this holds 500 gallons. So that means we are gonna need a lot of slime. So Hanna, you're up.
All right, guys, I got this. This is gonna be easy. Let's get started. All right, this slime is seriously perfect, and I think it'll be enough to fill up 50 jars of slime. All right, guys, slime's all done.
That was really fast.
Wait, is that all you made?
Yeah, it's enough for 50 containers.
We need 50 bins, not 50 containers of slime. Does this look like enough to you?
Now that you pointed out, it does look a little small.
We need it to be like up to here.
Well, I can't make all that by myself.
Maybe we should just call in the slime chefs.
The slime chefs gave us a giant mixer to use to make all the slimes in time.
With the help of the entire warehouse, they were quickly delivering dozens of slime bins. And to make sure nothing went to waste, we only used glue that was not fit to be sold in our shop due to production issues. Okay, you guys, let's start adding in the slime.
All right.
Yep.
Lock your core. You're using your arms too much.
All right, first slime, and she goes.
Oh.
We got this.
You did this really badly. Is it sticky?
No, it's not that bad.
And that was only one slime. We have 80 of these bins to go.
Don't waste a single drop.
No slime being wasted. It's just really heavy. There we go.
Is this actually gonna fill all the way up?
Oh yeah, this will fill up easily. If you're quick with it, it actually comes off. Nope, we almost lost it. There's no way I'm gonna be doing all of this, so we got Matt for extra support. Yeah, this is a lot of slime.
Can you throw some activator in here? Just a little bit. Thank you.
It literally feels like honey. It does. It looks like honey too.
We're essentially beekeepers. This is what they do with the honey. I just know it. Big B keeps it from you, but like it's actually this is how it is.
Yeah, we're just a bunch of bees working together.
We're gonna try doing it off the diving board. This may not go good. Come on, slime. Let me see it.
Ooh.
What would you give that waterfall for?
I would say a 5 out of 10.
5?
I think it needs more.
I feel like it's at least a 6.
He's not going to the Olympics, that's for sure.
We added about 1/3 of the slime to our bin,
But no giant honey cube slime is complete without its cubes. So we have to add them all in. But to make it fun, I'm gonna host a little challenge. This is the jelly cube toss challenge. So every time you throw a jelly cube into the bin and make it, you take 1 step back. And the first person to miss the bucket has to go into the slime when it's full. Round 1 from the slime graveyard, go.
Boom.
Good job, everyone. Everyone got one
Easy.
in. Step back. Round 2, 3, 2, 1, throw.
Nobody made it!
We're gonna call that round a draw.
Okay.
Round 2, 3, 2, 1, go.
Bucket.
Oh, woo! Step back. Yeah. Round 3, one at a time this time. Hannah, go first. When you're ready, no pressure.
Hurry up.
She said whenever I'm ready.
Get zen.
Cookie Monster.
Nice. Kristie, you're up.
All right, I got this. Oh!
Woohoo! Andrew next.
Okay, hold
Can
on,
he
hold on,
make
hold on,
this?
hold on. I have an idea.
Ah,
Okay, add some
hey,
extra
that's
weight.
cheating.
I don't know if that was cheating or not.
Rules were not super clear,
The
so.
rules were not clear. I will allow it.
Oh!
Oh! Andrew, you're gonna have to get in the slime later. I'm so sorry.
I added too much weight.
Too much weight. You shouldn't have cheated.
We're safe. In order for this to be a real jelly cube slime, we've got to put all of these jelly cubes in the center of our dunk tank so that it can soak it all up.
Now it's time to fill and cover these jelly cubes with some more slime.
Buy jelly cubes.
Guys, I think we have a problem. The jelly cubes just aren't getting mixed in enough.
Okay, well, I'm not gonna get in there and mix it.
Guys, I got this. Oh my God. Oh my. Oh.
Andrew, what are you doing?
You know, that's kind of a nice feeling. It's like gripping my legs and sinking me down. Oh, I'm not gonna be able to move it all though.
Oh, Andrew, here you go.
Shuffle.
Get to work.
Oh wait, I gotta bring myself back forward. Hold on.
Steve!
Go.
Oh, wait, giant squish sound.
Go, cube.
Wait, that ASMR is so good.
Cube.
Ooh, wait,
that
that
is
sounds
nice.
That's the biggest squish.
Yeah, ready? Watch this. Listen to this. Oh, that's so amazing. Oh. Come back.
Oh my gosh.
You kind of float.
Come on, keep down there. All the way down there.
Good job.
All the way down there. There we go. Now come back. Okay. Come back. Come on. Oh, it's taking the shovel. When you first get in, it's like an anaconda squeezes your legs together. Once you kind of sat in it for a second, it feels like the massage chairs. And it's just like this to your leg the whole time. But you have to keep moving because if you sit,
It's like quicksand.
Oh.
I go down and I keep going down. I should stop. Shovel, stay there. I'm gonna see if I can rotate 360.
Guys, Peachybbies just got our biggest charm yet. For only an additional $8, you could have Andrew in your slime.
That's all I'm worth.
Yeah, and for an extra $2, he'll squeeze stuff. No, not me.
I want to so bad.
Now comes the task of trying to get Andrew out of the dunk tank.
Oh, there's the step. I found the step.
It's first steps.
Baby's first steps. Oh my God.
It's so funny because I know you're exerting effort, but it doesn't look like you're moving.
It's so heavy. Oh my God.
Oh, he's getting out. Keep throwing, keep throwing. This is what Godzilla looks like when he comes out of the ocean.
Can I hit him in the butt?
Hey. Ooh. Ooh. This is the hard part though. I have to get my foot out of the thing.
Keep going.
Going. Here
The
you go.
chair's gonna work perfect.
Yeah,
Watch
get in
this.
the chair.
Careful, 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 careful.
Whoa. And then just get the slime. Chop it off.
I survived. If you want to work out, that is a fantastic way to do it.
So we already have our slime base, we have our cubes, but to make it an actual honey cube squish slime, we need our charms. And I know what you're thinking, charms are really small. Don't worry, we had our clay creator, who is super talented by the way, make these giant charms that we're gonna top our slime with.
First charm we're putting in, green pigeon.
No, Hannah.
What? He wants to swim.
Pigeons can't swim.
Pigeons can swim. You can't swim.
Oh, you're right.
This one's name is Frederick. Frederick is going over here. Name might be,
Alfred.
that's a stupid name, but sure, Alfred's going in the back.
Beatrice.
That's good. Place Beatrice in a position of power, please.
Position of power.
Yes.
Honeycombs.
Okay, hear me out. I kind of want a bear like here.
I got
Do you
you.
think you can get a bear there?
This way.
Oh,
wait,
I see him, I see him, I see him. Look at him.
He's doing it. The bear's swimming.
Bartholomew.
Bartholomew.
Oh wait, it looks so good like that.
That looks delicious.
Yeah, I like that.
All right, high five, guys.
I'll do it.
We did it.
So to help the whole warehouse, we actually made a giant honey cube squish slime.
But we have one more thing we need. A giant label. Oh, this is so cute.
And there we go. Now the world's largest slime is finished.
Woo!
This giant slime took 80 bins of slime to fill, which is roughly 9,000 slime jars. But if this video gets 15,000 likes, we'll make one even bigger next time. So make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.